Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Valorant error code with Val 5. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Task Manager and close all the tasks related to Valorant, Riot Client or Vanguard. On search you can easily find it here, and then you can end all the tasks, right? And then next step, what you need to do here, you need to open up CMD, right click on it, run as admin, and then here you need to put a few commands. First one is ipconfig /flush DNS, and another one is nesh winsock reset, right? And after that you need to restart your computer, but first you need to do another step. Open up settings, go to network and internet, advanced network settings, select your internet connection, expand it, view more adapter options, edit, select Internet Protocol version 4, and then select this one, use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you need to write 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes, and then next step, what you need to do here, you need to write services, click on one of the tasks here, and then press V, and then look for VGC, right click on it, go to properties, make sure that startup type is automatic, and then server status should be running. So let's hit start, and you're good to go. Apply the changes. If you found VGC on running and automatic, what I suggest you to do here is to right click on it and then restart the VGC, and then restart your computer, and your problem should be fixed.